Hello everyone, today I will show you how to manually adjust focus on iPhone camera. Here's how it is done. Number 1. Use tap to focus, native camera app. Open the camera app, tap on the subject you want to focus on. A yellow box will appear. This is your focus point. The camera will auto adjust focus on that area. Works in photo, portrait, and video modes. Number 2. Lock the focus, AE or AF lock. To maintain the same focus point, tap and hold on the subject until AE or AF lock appears at the top. You can then move the camera slightly and the focus won't change. Perfect for videos or consistent lighting shots. Want full manual focus? Use third-party apps. For true manual focus control, download apps like Highlight, Pro Camera, Manual, Pro Camera. And that's everything to know about how to adjust exposure on iPhone camera. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.